Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today's dish is very easy, very fast, very simple. We are going to make garbanzo beans with rice, ruzzo hummus, and we are going to make the two versions, the one with meat and the one without meat. So everybody will be pleased here. So what we need for this dish, we need meat, onion, butter, garbanzo, rice. And for the vegetarian, everything except the meat, salt, pepper, and some spices. So I'm gonna start with the beef first. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons butter. So I'm gonna put the onion right away. I'm not gonna let the butter burn. Onion, you don't want it to change color. So you just want it to be like crystal clear, and then you'll add the other ingredients. The good thing about like the easy, fast dishes, like if you are confused or you don't know what to cook, you can cook this dish in 10-15 minutes. You'll have your dinner ready. The same thing with the burghul video when we did season 1. It's fast, it's easy, and it's yummy. This is 4 ounces of meat. Make sure to smooth the meat. You don't want big chunks. So now I'm gonna add the spices. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon 7 spices. Mix them a little bit. And now you add the hummus, the garbanzo beans. So the garbanzo beans, I soak it overnight, the dry one, and the second day I boil it with little bit baking soda until like they are right. So I'm gonna put cup and a half water because I'm gonna put half a cup of rice. For each half a cup of rice I need a cup of water, and then for the garbanzo I added half a cup, because when I cook it this morning I don't cook it all the way. I let like a little crunch in it because it's gonna be cooked with the rice. Now I'm gonna add my rice and your dish is ready. Just wait for the rice to be cooked. And now you put it in simmer, very, very low, because we don't want the rice to get burned. And just keep checking every like minute or so to see. We're just now waiting for the rice to get cooked. So while we are waiting for the meat ruzzo hummus, I'm gonna show you how to make the vegetarian. And you can make it vegan too. Instead of putting the butter, just put olive oil or mazzarella oil or whatever you want. So I'm gonna add the butter, let it melt a little bit, then add the onion. Same thing, saute it until it's like crystal clear. So for my loyal viewers, there is a secret now. We're not gonna use water, we are using the veggie broth with this dish. It makes it taste so yummy, so good. And it's the same thing, waiting for the onion until it's clear, and then I'm gonna add the garbanzo beans, the rice, and then we'll add the veggie broth. Here I have 2 cups, I'm gonna put a cup and a half. 7 spices, black pepper, salt. I'm gonna put just a little bit salt because the veggie broth, it has salt. Put it and then try it. If you need more salt, you add. This is it. This is your dish. You just wait for the rice to get cooked and your dinner is ready. And this dish, the good thing to serve with is the yogurt. If you have yogurt, this is the best thing to eat with it. You can eat salad or anything you want, but my favorite is the yogurt. I didn't tell you, I put some Maggi, the vegetable one, the vegetarian cubes with it. It gives it heavier taste. It's good with the veggie broth. I saw the rice, it's not cooked yet. There is a crunch in it. So I put a cup and a half water. I'm gonna add about half a cup more. So now our dish is ready. Thank you for watching me, and please try to make it and let me know how it will come out with you. Thank you very much again, and I will see you next week. Bye.